Hi, this is Jeremy Moskowitz, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use email to authorize items using PolicyPak Least Privilege Manager. So in a previous video I set up what's called the admin approval secret, where if a user double clicks on something that he doesn't have access to, he can over the phone send what's called a request code and get back a response code. What I'm going to show you now is how to increase that depth so that way you can do it over email as well and get some additional information. So what we're going to do is go over to the GPO or the policy that has the admin approval secret in it. Again, I already have this one set up, or else what I just showed you wouldn't work. And I got that already set up in other videos. So I'm just finding the policy that does this. Here it is, the admin approval policy. So when you click it the first time here, okay, you're going to now have the option to set what's called the email method, okay? And you can use email and say it's enabled and put the send to, like maybe it's helpdesk at fabricam.com. And then you have a selection to only use email if that's what you want to do, or if you do uncheck, it'll let you do the short code and this email long code. Okay, now that that's locked and loaded in the GPO, I'm going to head back over to my endpoint. I'm going to run GP update and give this a second to finish up. Okay, and now that that's done, so now let's go ahead and double click on an item that the user would require admin approval for, and you can see now we've got the field for long response code. So a user can try to type whatever they want in here, and that's not going to work because you haven't given them a response code yet. So the idea is that they need to click here to send a request by email to my support. Now you've already configured the to address, and this is my mailer. It says, hello, can you please approve the following application? It gives you the application name and has the request code here. You can see subject PolicyPak admin approval request from the user here. Now I don't have email set up, so it's going to be a little bit cut and paste here. So I'm going to copy this request code. I'm pretending I've got email. Now I'm going to go over and pretend to be my admin who does the approval here. So I'm going to go to the PolicyPak admin approval tool here. So there's the admin approval tool, which again, I've already set up in another video. So I'm going to go ahead and type the password to get it warmed up here. Okay, and now that that's open, I can use the email tab. Okay, and I can paste in the email that I got from my user. Here's my request code, and look at that, it lights up and gives me the command that's being run. It tells me the file name. It tells me that the parent process. It tells me that it's digitally signed. We're going to be putting the field in here for actually who's done the signature in just a little bit. It's not in this version, but it's coming soon. Anyway, by the time this is over, you can also change the reason code, the number of uses, and when it expires. I'm not going to do, and also apply to child processes. I'm not going to deal with any of that right now. I just want to take it, send an email back to my user, and you're going to pretend that I just did that. So now back at the user who's trying to run the PowerPoint viewer install, they get the email back saying, here's the response code to put in for your, to put in. Bang, put that in there, and you're off to the races. Okay, so in this way, the email version gives you more information and a workflow that you can use to do anytime you want. So in this way, nobody has to be at the help desk at present in order for this to achieve. You can do it in asynchronous time. Hope this feature helps you out, and looking forward to getting you started real soon with PolicyPak. Thanks.